Wow, I am genuinely shocked and at a complete loss for words for what is going on right now for Uber and Lyft drivers. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world. Yes, #1, numero uno. This is the channel for rideshare drivers. If you drive for Uber or Lyft, you definitely need to be subscribed to this channel. So if you are, then good job. If you're not yet, then well, you know, you can keep watching the videos free of charge. But for today's video, guys, something absolutely insane happened. I don't know if you guys have heard, but the California Senate approved a bill that classifies Uber and Lyft drivers as employees. That's crazy. For the past 9 years, almost 10 years now, Uber and Lyft drivers have been independent contractors. You know, we just sign on whenever we want, do a couple rides, log off here and there, no benefits, you know, just no set wages, no rights to unionize, no health insurance, nothing like that. Just sign up for a little part-time gigaroony. But the California Senate is like, skirt, let's hold the horses, guys. We want to classify drivers as employees. Let's give them benefits. Let's give them health care. Let's give them a set wage and a right to unionize. And also, let's make all these huge companies pay their taxes. So I'm gonna get into the video. I'm gonna go over, there's something crazy that happened too. Lyft is already basically planning to do scheduled shifts now, which is pretty insane. I'm gonna go into that. I just got a notification on my phone. But first of all, shout out to Starbucks for giving me probably one of the most mediocre coffees I've ever had. And also their cup, like, I don't know if you can see that, but they actually, I took a sip this morning, it spilled all over me. So I don't know, whatever. But anyways, before I get into the video, please smash the thumbs up button, guys. I can't even do the little thing, but smash the thumbs up button if you drive for Uber or for Lyft and you want to make more money. If you just want to, you know, guys, I'm trying to be a YouTuber here, you know. We're sitting at 17,000 subscribers, you know, it's really not that much. You know, I'm trying to get to 100,000, so if you can subscribe and smash the thumbs up button, it really does help me a lot. So I know 100,000, it could be a little ways away, but I'm trying, you know, shoot for the stars, right? Shoot for the moon and maybe grab a star on the way down. But anyways, guys, let's get right into it. I'm just reading tons of articles. I'm doing research, I can't help it, you know? Here we go, California, you know, this directly affects me. Somebody commented earlier, I think his name was like small limit rideshare or something, but he said, hey Dylan, you know, he's like, how is this gonna affect you? This affects me directly. You know why? Because I'm a driver, you know, this directly affects me. I'm a part-time driver for Uber and Lyft. I love signing on, doing a couple rides, and then logging off. It doesn't affect me in the way that, you know, I'm not a full-time driver, and no, I do not rely on Uber and Lyft for full-time income. If you rely on Uber and Lyft for full-time income, well, you know, I don't want to judge, but it's not, I don't know. I guess now it could be becoming more of a full-time gig because it's, you know, you'll be an employee. So here we have it, guys. California State Assembly, California Senate, Uber Lyft driver gets health care benefits. So I'm just gonna open up my app here. I don't wanna show my location, so I'm trying to scroll out of my location. As you see, guys, 12% of my weekly goal. My weekly goal is 2,794. Why? Because when you do that times 12, what do you get? No, wait, times 52. Sorry, I was like, that doesn't look right. Should be around 100,000. Oh no, what is? 145,000. That's my weekly goal. Anyways, guys, so here is my notification that I just got. CA lawmakers just approved AB5. As a result, you may soon be required to drive specific shifts and stick to specific areas. No changes have gone into effect, and we promise to let you know when they do. Join us and continue to advocate for a solution that keeps you on your own terms. Did you read that, guys? You may soon be required to drive specific shifts and stick to specific areas. They're gonna be like, yo, Dylan, you gotta sign on at 3 a.m. and drive till 10 a.m. You can't log off and you have to drive. They'll probably give you like a 15-minute break and a lunch break. Imagine taking a little lunch break. And what if you're not in the desired area? You got to take your lunch break at like a, you know, at a random gas station or something. Yeah, and they're gonna say, all right, yeah, and you have to drive in San Diego. I don't know. They might tell you you have to drive in specific areas, and they're gonna keep you in that area. You know, this is like, it's changing. You're losing control, but you're gaining benefits. You're gaining security, job security. So all the drivers who have been complaining about wages and rates and stuff, well, now you'll get a guaranteed rate. But again, you know, then now you might have a manager, you might have you know, set schedules, you know, might have to go in for a job interview. You know, gotta work on those resumes, guys. You know, beef up those resumes so you can apply to become an Uber driver employee. You know, yeah, if you don't have any job experience, I don't know if you'll get hired. You know, I heard they're pretty hard at hiring now for the employee job. You know, it's not just sign up and, you know, you get a, you know, you're gonna have to do job training. I don't know, but maybe they'll give you a car to drive, you know? Maybe they'll give you like a sick Escalade. Imagine they're just like, all right, Escalades for everyone. That'd be dope. Imagine we all get Escalades. Oh, what if we all get like Maseratis or something? Like the SUVs. Have you guys seen those SUV Maseratis? Those are sick. Let me see if it'll pop up. Yeah, what if they're all like, all right, what if they're all like, all right, California, you wanted to screw us over, now we're gonna screw you guys over, and all of us get those. That's like, honestly, that car is sick. I don't know what kind of car you guys like, but the SUV Maz, freaking dope, bro. Or we all get Tesla Model X, 7 passengers, 7 seaters. I don't know, I really like the white one, but I don't know. Actually, that gray one is not bad. But I think black, I don't know. Honestly, I think I might do white if I do get one. I don't know, what do you guys think? What color would you want if we all got those? And it's 3 rows, so you can get XL fares too. Because, you know, we all know XL pays more, but I guess at this point, you know, we're all getting set wages anyway, so doesn't really matter. All right, oh yeah, back to my app. I just want to show you guys because look at this. So look, they're still advocating, Lyft still has hope. They still have hope to get, you know, because the governor still needs to sign it, even though he already stated that he supports it. But look at this, I'm gonna read this as fast as I can. See, lawmakers just approve, oh yeah. As a result, you may soon be required to drive specific shifts and stick to specific areas. According to LA Times editorial board, the resulting costs will inevitably lead companies to impose shifts, scale back hiring, add non-compete rules, and exert control over hours and opportunities in ways that they don't today. We agree that the bill's goal to protect workers. Honestly, guys, like, nothing is, honestly, guys, like, yes, they have, like, basically approved drivers to become employees, but we don't even know what that will look like. You know what I mean? It's like, we don't know if, the only thing we do know, basically, is that drivers will now, if it all goes through and the governor signs it and goes into blah, 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 because it's not all set in stone yet. The only thing we really do know is that we will get healthcare benefit, like health insurance. We will get a set wage and a right to unionize. We don't know about the flexibility. We don't know about, you know, we need to do a certain number of hours per week. We don't know how much we'll get paid, how, you know, as a W-2, you will, as a driver, like, you will have to pay more in taxes, but you won't get the, well, it's so difficult. I don't know. I really don't know. So, sorry, I'm still trying to figure it out myself here. So, yeah, here we go. We agree that the bill's goal to protect workers, but we don't agree that this protection should come at the cost of flexibility. Our community relies on to supplement their income. Exactly. This is a supplement for me. Support their families, and yes, I want to support my family and set my own schedule. Yes, yes, yes. Independent status for drivers. You should be able to drive whenever, wherever, and however you choose. A guaranteed earnings floor. The state will set a clear minimum to help you cover driving expenses. And you'll always be able to make more. Bargaining power for drivers. Drivers have the right to advocate together. Benefits, including paid sick and family. Ooh, my little Uber friend accepted my my request. Finally, dude, I've been waiting on you for months. It's already supported by many in our driver community. Former California United States Senator Barbara Boxer in regard to ABCI says, there is a way to allow for everyone to win here, and that is by keeping worker flexibility but adding much needed benefits like better pay, worker compensation, better reimbursement of the cost, and a way for workers to be heard. Our ask, help us make sure AB5 represents the best interests of our community. Make your voice heard with a quick call, asking Governor Gavin Newsom to take a leadership position in fixing AB5. We'll connect you with his office and provide information on how to best #FixAB5. Should I call them? Guys, should I hop on the phone with Governor Newsom right now? Could you imagine? I'm just like, yo, what up, bro? Yo, how you doing? It's Dill from the Rideshare Hub. Yeah, you know that whole bill thing? You know, the whole government thing? Yeah, yeah, let's fix it together, man. Yeah, this is my personal cell, so just give me a ring back whenever it's convenient for you. I don't know, maybe I'll do it, maybe I won't. Let me know your, guys, do you like this? Do you like this? I don't know, I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Sorry, this is a ramble of a video again, you know, I'm just chugging my very mediocre, it honestly kind of tastes like hotel or like diner coffee. You know, when you just get a cup of coffee at a restaurant, it's just like, well, wasn't expecting a great cup of coffee, but also wasn't expecting to drink literal horse poop. And I don't know why, but it's just some places just cannot make even like a decent cup of coffee, like not even like a bad one. It's like horrible. So I don't know, I went to a restaurant the other day in LA, or in obviously in LA, where else would I be? In West Hollywood, sorry. And I had to return their coffee because it was so bad. I told them, look, I almost had to spit this out, it was so bad. And you know, it tampered my food as well. So that happened. Anyways, guys, give the video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos on this channel. You guys are honestly the best. But let's look here. Will the rideshare companies strike back? I don't know. Is that a driver? Is that an Uber Lyft driver? Oh no, that's an ad. That's very poorly placed. That's an Uber and Lyft driver right there. That guy looks OG. Look at him. Look at those glasses. Are those Gucci? No, Louis Vuitton. Oh, okay. That is Louis V. Yeah, that's Louis V. We are fighting for our rights. Together we are stronger, bigger, better, faster, stronger. Look at this guy. Boston Independent Drivers Guild. Hey, I'm from Boston. Hey, check out my Drivers Guild. That's a horrible Boston accent. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys are the best. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great and amazing day, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Alright, later guys. Talk to y'all soon. I'll talk to y'all soon, and I will talk to you all soon. If you subscribe, that way I will be able to talk to y'all soon. Alright, bye.